exciting opportunity for Egypt residents, earn an American MBA with Windsor University's exclusive scholarship.
If you live in Egypt, you can get your degree for just $50 per month instead of $150 per month. Program details like duration 20 months. Next intake, May 10, 2025, 30 credit hours. How to apply? Submit your bachelor's degree. Meet the English requirement, Duolingo English test score of 100 plus recommended. Your residency in Egypt will be verified monthly.
3 reasons you should try Windsor University's MBA program. 1. Flexibility that fits your busy life. 2. Affordable tuition with generous scholarships. 3. Real-world skills that propel your career forward. Windsor University, your path to success starts here.
Comment down below your country of residence.
And join our global network of professionals.